I must tell you, if today I have a secretary that has AI as his or her superpower and was able to make AI arrange my schedule automatically, AI can listen to your meetings and transcribe the meeting automatically. One person is able to get so many things done at a spot. I would prefer that secretary than one other secretary with no superpower. The same thing with a lawyer. If you have a case and you have a lawyer that has AI with him, and the lawyer is saying, if we do it this way, do it that way, how will it end? The lawyer say, you will spend 6 years in prison. Don't let us do it that way. In your presence, what if we go through this channel and said this to the judge? The AI has the ability to check through previous records, how cases have been solved, and they can do that within a second, tell you the result. This one is worse. It's life imprisonment. Okay, don't let us try that one. Until you get the right approach, you will prefer that lawyer than the ones like Lai. So whatever you do, you're a medical doctor, a barista, an engineer, whatever you do, AI is your superpower.